Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use bug tracking tool in Jira. So first of all, we'll have to open a project. So go to projects and press on view all projects. So from here choose a project, and then from here what we'll do is we'll go to the project settings at the top right corner, press on that. From here we will press on issue types, and from here we'll have to add issue type bug. So if you don't have the bug issue type here, if you have only task or subtask, what you can do is press on this add issue type. So here it will show bug. So simply press on it and press add, and it will show like this. So after that what we'll do is we'll press on create here, and then we'll have to select our project. So after that we'll select issue type, and in the drop down menu we'll select bugged. So after that what we can do is we'll fill in all the necessary details here, like the status, to do or done. Like we'll have to fill in summary, and then we'll have to assign an assignee. Then we can do labels, due date, start date, and then reporter, and then team. We can choose team as well. So after that what we'll do is we'll press on create. So it will create a issue in the project. So when you come to the project, you can see this bug tracking tool is now enabled. So this is how you can use bug tracking in Jira. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.